In life, the only limit to your potential is the depth of your determination. When you have a strong enough will, nothing can stop you from reaching your dreams, so never give up, never lose hope, and always believe in yourself. You have within you the power to overcome an obstacle and achieve greatness. The world is waiting for you to unleash your full potential. The question is, are you ready to step up and make your mark? Life is a journey, and every step you take is a change to learn and grow. Embrace the challenges that come your way, for they are the catalysts for your personal evolution. Each setback is an opportunity to rise stronger, wiser, and more resilient than before. So, keep moving forward with purpose and passions, and never forget that every step you take is a step towards becoming the best version yourself. True success is not the measure of you achieve, but by the number of times you rise after falling. It's not about how much money you make, but about how much meaning you create. It's not about the fame you gain, but about the impact you make. So, don't be afraid to take risks, to fail, to start over. These are the movements that define who you are and what you are capable of. Keep chasing your dreams with passion and proposal, and always remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. Life is a precious gift, and every day is a new opportunity to make it count. Don't waste your time on things that don't matter, or on people who don't value your worth. Instead, focus on what brings you joy, on the people who lift you up and inspire you to be your best self. Take chances, follow your heart, and don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. Life is too short to play it safe. Live fully, love deeply, and leave a positive impact on the world around you. Life is like a book, with each chapter representing a new adventure waiting to be written. Don't be afraid to turn the page and start a new chapter, even if it means leaving behind the familiar and venturing into the unknown. Every chapter brings with it new experiences, new lessons, and new opportunities to grow. So, write your story with intention, purpose, and passion. Fill each page with love, laughter, and meaningful moments that will make your life a beautiful masterpiece. And when you look back on your journey, you'll realize that every chapter was necessary to create the person you are today. Life is a journey that is meant to be shared. Don't walk through it alone. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who support you, who believe in your dreams. Together you can overcome any obstacle, conquer any challenge, and celebrate every victory. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it, and don't be too proud to offer a helping hand to others. Remember, the true joy in life comes not from what we achieve, but from the connections we make and the love we share. Life is a journey full of ups and downs, twists and turns, and unaccepted surprises. Embrace the journey and find beauty in the unaccepted. Every experience, whether good or bad, brings with it a lesson to be learned and an opportunity to grow. So, don't be afraid to take risks, to try new things, and to step out of your comfort zone. Life is meant to be lived to the fullest with passion, curiosity, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. Trust the journey and have faith that everything will work out in the end. When life throws you into a storm, don't forget to dance in the rain. Even in the darkest moments, there is beauty to be found. Take a deep breath and let the tears fall if they must. But don't give up hope, and don't forget to hold on to the light within. It may seem like the world is against you, but remember that you are never alone. There are people who care about you, who love you, and who are there to help you weather the storm. So, reach out, connect, and let yourself be supported. And when the storm passes, you'll emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before.